Be yourself. How can you be yourself? To know yourself. You don't choose your passion, it chooses you. How will you know? By taking action. Galawan. Truth. Deservability. And you will manifest. I'm humbled, but at the same time I'm proud. Because I know some of the things that I have already took action on and have manifested, it was because of my own mind. It was not because I was influenced by the